G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a small video on trying the valve covers back on after fitting the baffle kit in the last episode. This is our ATP Catch Can. These guys do an awesome product. Wow, that's pretty sick. Got the catch can sitting in, sits in pretty nicely. Took a little bit to sort of fit it in. It hit on the windscreen wiper motor. I was super stoked on this product until the mounting points. This one here is fine, it bolts just to your side of your strut tower there. The rear one goes in through the side, through a nut insert in there. And man, I haven't got big arms, but I cannot get my hand up under the guard to get it on. I think I'm gonna have to take the guard off, and that really annoys me. I've got the valve covers ready to go back on. I normally love to use genuine Nissan products, except this time I ordered some aftermarket valve cover seals and also half moons. Now it's a great product. I got it from AFI Solutions. So I've got these Aeroflow RB26 valve inserts which take it to a -12 AN fitting. I'm just gonna, normally I would glue these in with some 3-bond Welsh plug glue or some sort of retaining compound. I'm not gonna do that this time because I have ordered Radium Engineering 90-degree angles, which are a little bit better sort of quality. I actually really wish I had waited for the Radium ones. I just want to get this thing going. These things are super soft. It's partly my fault. I got heavy-handed and smacked the top of the cover with the hammer. Oh shit! Oh shit! But yeah, no, that was not fun, not nice. I would prefer to have waited for the Radium ones. And this is super high. I'm not overly happy about how high that setup is. Genuine Nissan gasket maker, which is really good stuff. I've used it before. I'll most likely use this again on the rocker cover because it didn't leak last time. And when I say rocker cover, I just mean the half moons. So you put a bead around the bottom of the half moon in the corners at the top here. So just a bead there, it'll smudge over. The rest of the gasket you don't need to worry about putting the sealant on. Catch can's in, looks good. A little bit disappointed with how it fits. It's kind of on a weird angle. Might have to bend it a bit just to make it how I want to fit. But yeah, other than that, all looks good. Rocker covers are back on, so they're sealing up now. The sealant will go off over the next few hours and we should be right to use it. Righto, after a few sweaty hours in the shop, we've finally got everything back together. Looks awesome. ATP catch cans in, Teflon lines are in, -12 lines are in. That one there is a little bit higher than what I would like. I don't like how it sits so high off the rocker cover. I don't know if you guys can see that. Fine with the bonnet, it's going to be close, but it's still seriously high. So the Radium Engineering ones I brought are going to be much lower, but these will work fine for now. They're just, the Radium ones are on back order. I've also put in the new Radium fuel pressure sensor there, so that looks pretty cool. The other one was white, this one's black. It's just a aesthetics thing.